If you're looking for a quick and efficient way to automate email extraction, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to automate email extraction with Browse AI. Whether you're doing research, gathering leads, or just trying to streamline your workflow, Browse AI is a powerful tool that can help you save time and effort. Now, if you're new to Browse AI, let me give you a brief overview. Browse AI is a tool designed to automate tasks that you would normally do manually on the web. It uses machine learning to extract data from websites, and yes, that includes email addresses. The beauty of Browse AI is that it makes these processes incredibly simple, so even if you don't have coding experience, you can still get the job done quickly. The first step in using Browse AI for email extraction is setting up a robot or bot. A robot is essentially a web scraper that Browse AI trains to understand exactly what you're looking for. You simply provide the robot with the URL of the website you want to scrape and tell it to focus on email addresses. The platform uses AI to train the bot to recognize email patterns automatically. Once you have your robot set up, Browse AI will begin extracting the emails for you. But what's awesome about this software is that it's designed to handle dynamic websites. So even if the email addresses are embedded in complicated JavaScript or loaded in different ways, Browse AI will still find them. This is a huge time saver compared to other scraping methods that struggle with these issues. To get started, you don't need to worry about complicated configurations. The interface is user-friendly, and you can quickly add multiple URLs or websites to your scraping list. Browse AI will then go to work, extracting the emails and exporting them in a format that's easy to use, whether that's CSV, Excel, or directly into a CRM system. And don't worry about having to run these extractions manually each time. With Browse AI, you can schedule extractions to run at your preferred frequency. That means you can set it up once and let the software work for you in the background while you focus on other tasks. The time saved here can be immense, especially for digital marketers, researchers, or anyone involved in lead generation. You can use Browse AI for free right now through the link in the description below, and we have some exclusive bonuses just for you. Plus, you'll get access to a limited extended free trial that allows you to try the software without any restrictions. This means you'll have more time to explore all the features, like its advanced scheduling options, custom scraping rules, and even integration with other tools like Google Sheets or Zapier. If you're new to automating email extraction, Browse AI is a game changer. It's not just for email extraction either. You can set it up to scrape a variety of data types across websites. Emails are just one of many. So make sure you check the link below to start your journey with Browse AI today and get access to that exclusive bonus. To wrap up, Browse AI is an intuitive, easy-to-use tool that will save you time and effort when it comes to automating email extraction. Whether you're gathering leads, conducting research, or working on a larger digital marketing campaign, Browse AI streamlines the process so you can focus on more important tasks. And don't forget, the first link below will give you access to a free trial with some special bonuses, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the exclusive offer in the description below.